Today I'm making oven roasted barbecue spatchcock chicken. This is going to be good. To start, I'm going to prep my chicken. I've already rinsed and cleaned a 3.5 pound chicken. I'm going to remove the tail, and to make this lie flat on my baking sheet, I'm going to remove the backbone, and I'm just using very sharp kitchen shears. Once the backbone is removed, I'm going to flip it over and just press down on it to make it flat. I'm going to prepare a barbecue sauce, and there's so many ways to make this. And you can season your chicken however you like, but this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to take a 1/3 cup, it's 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of apricot preserve. I'm also going to add 1 chipotle pepper and a tablespoon of the adobo sauce, the zest and juice of 1 large lemon, and I couldn't find my lemon squeezer. Here I have a tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder. Now I'm going to mix. Here I'm adding a 1/4 cup of cooking oil and just a handful of fresh parsley, and I'm going to puree that, and this is what I'm going to slather and season the chicken with. Before adding my sauce to the chicken, I'm going to pat the exterior dry. And I'm going to flip the chicken over and add some of that to the inside of the chicken or the bottom part, and I'm using my clean hands. You could use a brush or a spoon or gloved hands. Now I'm going to pour the rest on the top, and you could also get some underneath the skin from the chicken breast. And after that, I'm going to place it on a baking sheet. I lined the baking sheet with parchment paper, and I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is going to take about 45 minutes to 50 minutes to cook. Be sure to use a thermometer. I inserted it into the breast and it reached 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to remove it from the oven. Cook time does vary, so using a meat thermometer definitely helps. So I'm going to let this set and rest for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then once it has rested, I'm just going to garnish with extra fresh chopped parsley, and it's done. This is so tender and juicy, and if it's cooked right, it's easy to carve and cut. Oven roasting a spatchcock chicken is an easy way to roast whole chicken in a shorter amount of time. And you can serve this with your favorite sides. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.